अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं तामिल इरशाद का सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म और मैं हूं आपके साथ हिबा बेग। नाज़रीन, हम इस वक्त मौजूद है वुमेंस कॉलेज श्रीनगर में, जहां पर 2 दिन के लिए यहां पर इंटरनेशनल रिसर्च डे मनाया जा रहा है और यहां पर आज वाइस चांसलर क्लस्टर यूनिवर्सिटी भी मौजूद थे और डीन एकेडमिक्स भी मौजूद है। देखिए श्रीनगर से हमारी ये रिपोर्ट।
A moment to I'd like to request
Thank you so much, sir.
Of literary study with cognitive and affective science. Moreover, one of the topics I have addressed in this framework is gender, most intensively in my 2008
This conference has been a testament to the power of collective intellect and the importance of cross-disciplinary engagement in addressing complex challenges and crafting sustainable solutions.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Cluster University Srinagar, Professor Dr. Koyum Hussain, worthy Professor Nipa, Professor Manisha Prem, Dean Academic Affairs, Cluster University Srinagar, Professor Mushtaq Ahmed, Registrar, Cluster University Srinagar, Professor Vilayat Rizvi Saab, Controller, Cluster University Srinagar, Khurshid Ahmed Mir Saab, dignitaries, participants, faculty and students. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. 2024. Sir is a visionary who has worked hard for the development of. We are honored to have you here today. I also welcome Professor Dr. Manisha Prem, Professor Nipa New Delhi for being with us today on this valedictory function. I welcome Dean Academic Affairs, Cluster University Srinagar, Registrar, Cluster University Srinagar, and Controller, Cluster University Srinagar. We are all honored to have you all here on this occasion. Across a vast array of disciplines, it has been a pleasure to be a part of this enriching experience, and I extend my heartfelt thanks to every one of you who has